I am the moon. Every day I'm orbiting your planet, and I know what your way of life is. I also know it's not sustainable. You're destroying forests and melting glaciers with your own pollution. You're literally destroying your own future. There's so many problems in your world I can't even count them. I also know that you take stuff for granted, like me. In fact, have you ever stopped to think about what your life would be like if I was gone? Without me, the tides would change dramatically. Without me, nights would be so dark you couldn't see 10 steps in front of you. Without my gravitational pull, your planet would move faster, resulting in shorter days. The axial tilt of your planet would change, resulting in a massive climate change. You see, I'm so important in your life, but you never realize it. And I know you have to change your ways, but you're running out of time. Fossil fuels can't save you forever. You have to prepare yourself, because from what I'm seeing, you're struggling. You have to make amends or you won't last another century. I've been here millions of years. The solar system doesn't belong to you. You belong to the solar system. You don't own this planet, you rent it. Your contract can end any time. If you disobey the rules, you ruin it for yourself. You humans are continuously learning. Use your knowledge for good, not for bad. The environment doesn't need you, but you need the environment. The environment keeps you alive. How do you want to return the favor?